Contax Hollywood 28f2. Wanted to get this repaired because the focus ring needed lubrication. No damage, just was stiff from sitting around too long. And the one facility in the US I found, 900, 800, 700, somewhere in there. A lot of money to repair. And so I asked around, and there's a repair place near Tokyo called Kanto Camera. And now I know that they're maybe the premier, certainly Leica, but boutique-y kind of lens repair place near Tokyo. And they warned me they have a 7-month backlog. But I said, sure, because, amongst other things, they quoted me $200, and I knew that they would do an excellent job. Well, lens just returned, buttery smooth, everything. And I actually had them do 2 lenses. I had them work on zoom as well. Kanto Camera.